Guys, this time I'm going to try something different, which is a complete lie because I already played this game like 1,000 times. But I'm going to show you this game called Dummy Counter Your Friends. It's pretty cool. The players are mostly chill. So basically in this game you get counters to unlock new counters, and there's some free counters that you have to do stuff like, you know, like favorite the game or something like that. Maybe even like, I don't know, like like follow the creator, like follow a certain creator. But I'm gonna be wall comboing people today. Right after this, because I literally suck at these hitboxes. Hopefully this video doesn't get copyrighted, because I don't edit any of these videos. They're just the game, because I just don't know how to edit, to be completely honest. And people are I'm just kidding, bro. People are arguing in the chat. And this is our first wall combo of the day. That's actually a lie because I did this multiple times. But first wall combo of the video. So, I'm not accepting that. Bye-bye. Perish, die. Oh my god. Oh, I just caught this guy lacking. I just caught that guy lacking. Let's go. And bonk, 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 bonk. Oh, you wanna cry? You wanna cry now? I don't even know if it's a neck snap or just punch. I don't know. I'd like to say it's a neck snap, but I know that would be unrealistic in a literal 1v1. Anyways, the chainsaw counter is pretty cool. You should save up for it. Reminder, I don't edit any of these videos, so like, you know, and I'm a brand new creator, so got this guy lacking. I caught this guy lacking. Oh, he left the game. Bro rage quit immediately. That's legitimately crazy. Bow, 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 bow. Come on. Plink floored. What the heck? I am family friendly because I am obviously family friendly. I'm too young. Anyway, bro, try to hit me. And that's why you are eliminated. Or dead. I play Team Fortress 2 sometimes, so hopefully you like it. If you're liking this video, just like and subscribe. It's free, and it's pretty cool. You get to support my channel, I guess. I know you want to. And I am not good. And my teeth, because I'm Blue Dude. If you don't know, Blue Dude is a character from Forsaken, so. I just know the lore behind it, and I'm not trying to say it, so. Yeah, that was unfair. I literally hit him into the wall and it did not count. Des, or Pilot Des, or Desvier, or whatever it's called. No, I don't know how Des would not win. Blood really thought that hitting me would do anything. Anyways, I'm going to cut this video short because last time I made a video, it was way too long. It was supposed to be all LMS themes for Forsaken, but that somehow went over the requirement of time needed, which was probably like 8 minutes. So I'm just going to get one more count, wall combo, then end it here. Let's call it short right after this. This is the best spree I ever gotten. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I will hopefully do something. You are dead, not big surprise.